Hello dear students, today I will discuss about miscellaneous exercise on chapter 6, that is linear inequality chapter. So here first of all questions given, solve the inequalities and then solve the inequalities and represent the solution graphically on the number lines, and then the verbal solutions, verbal questions are there. So take 1 to 6 questions, the same type of questions. So take question second of exercise, miscellaneous exercise. So solution, question second. Okay, so the given question is 6 less than equal minus 3 2x minus 4. Given in equality is 6 less than equal minus 3, 6 less than equal minus 3, 2x minus 4 less than 12, 2x minus 4 less than 12, only less than 12 is there. Okay, so from questions 1 to 6 there are mixing linear inequalities. Mixing means just first take this part, or you can direct solve it by taking this part, also by taking this part you can solve it. Okay, so you can break it and then solve separately, or you can direct solve it. Just our target is that x, the limit x lies between like this or this or this or this. Okay, so we can also direct solve it by taking separation. Means just take this part and solve, and then take this part then solve, but we can also direct solve. So given equal to this, now our target is what? Single x will be there. Clear? So now here we see that we can write 6 less than equal minus 6x, just multiply minus 6x plus 12, minus 6x minus minus plus 12 is less than 12. This. Now we can subtract from 3 places minus 12. So 6 minus 12 less than equal minus 6, x plus 12 minus 12 less than 12 minus 12. So here we see that minus 6 less than equal minus 6 less than 0, minus 6x. Here now we can divide it by 6. So minus 1 is less than equal minus x is less than 0. Divide by 6, positive number in 3 parts. Now if we multiply this by minus 1, then this is plus 1 is greater than equal, plus x is greater than 0. So implies x is less than equal 1 is 0. That is x belongs to what? 0, 1, this. Greater than 0, less than equal 1. So solution set is, so solution set is interval as a set. Okay, this is question, solution of question 2 of exercise 0-1. Clear? Now 0-1. Now take any questions. Question 6. Okay, so take question 6. You can solve it, very simple. Okay, just like similar method, just we have to solve by remembering that positive number can be added, can be subtracted, or can be multiplied in 3 places of inequality, mixing inequality. And if we multiply with minus negative number, then inequality sign will be changed. Here 7, 11, 3x plus 11 by 2, 3x plus 11 by 2 is less than equal 7 is less than equal, here 7 is less than equal 11, 3x plus 11, 11, 7, 7 is less than equal, this 3x plus 11 by 2 is less than equal 11. Just this is also mixing, you can separate it by taking this and taking this. I can also direct solve. So here just we have to multiply 3 places by 2. Then 2 cancel here, 2 multiply 2 cancel here. 14 is less than equal 3x plus 11 is less than equal 22. Multiply by 2 in 3 places. Okay, now 14 minus 11 is less than equal 3x plus 11 minus 11 is less than equal 22 minus 11. Just subtract 11 from 3 places. We get what? 3 is less than equal 3x is less than equal 11. Clear? Now divide by, because we require only x. So divide by 3. 1 less than equal, x is less than equal 11 by 3. So implies x belongs to what? 1 and 11 by 3. Therefore solution set is what? Solution set is 1 and 11 by 3. This is question. Solution set of 1, 11 by 3. Okay. Now solve the inequalities from 7 to 11. There are also mixing inequalities, and solution, represent the solution graphically on the number line. So take question 8. Okay. So take question 8. We have to solve first and then represent the solution on number line graphically, because there are only single variable, so we can draw the solution set on the number line. Here question 8 is 2x minus 1 is less than x plus 5. 2x minus 1 is less than x minus 5. 2x minus 1 is less than x plus 5, sorry, x plus 5. And second is what? 3x plus 2 is greater than x2 minus x. 3x plus 2 is greater than 3x plus 2 is greater than 2 minus x. 2 minus x. So this is our given inequality. Both are separate. And there we can solve first. Just solve it. 2x minus 2 is less than x plus 5. Now we can subtract or add 2x 2 on both sides. We can add 2 on both sides. So 2 cancel to 7. So here 2x is less than x plus 7. Now we can subtract x. So x less than 7. X less than 7. Okay. Also solve it. 3x plus 6 is greater than 2 minus x. And here we can see that x can be added on both sides. So 3x plus 6 plus x, 2 minus x plus x. So 3x, 4x, 3 and 1x, 4x plus 6 is greater than 2. Now 4x plus 6 minus 6 is greater than 2 minus 6. So we can write 4x is greater than minus 4. Now we can divide by 4. So x greater than minus 1. These are the relation. Thus we get minus 1 is less than x is less than 7. Therefore, solution set is minus 1, 7. And its graphical representation on number line is what? Draw the number line. Minus infinity plus infinity. This is 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here just strictly less than, that is minus 1 is not included, 7 is also not included. So just draw follow circle and this part is included. Just bold it. Okay, you have to bold it. Okay, so this is the graphical representation of minus 1, 7. Clear? So this is question 8. Minus 1, 7. Okay. Now, in a similar way, you can solve a 9, 10 and so. Okay. Just take 10. Question 10. Very simple graphical solution is there. Okay, so 5 2x minus 7 minus 3, 5 2x minus 7, 5 2x minus 7 minus 3 2x plus 3, minus 3 2x plus 3 is less than equal 0. And second part is 2x plus 19 is less than equal 6x. 2x plus 19 is less than equal 6x. 2x plus 19 is less than equal 6x plus 47. Okay, there are also separation of two inequalities. You have to just solve it and draw graphically its solution set. So just multiply 10x minus, I will write 10x minus 35 minus 6x plus minus 9 is less than equal 0. So you can solve it. What? 10x minus 6 is 4x minus 35 minus 9 means 44 less than equal 0. So we can solve it how? Less than equal 44, adding 44 on both sides, divide by 4 is less than equal 11. So x is less than equal 11. Similarly, here we can solve just this. So we can subtract 2x from both sides. So 2x plus 19 minus 2x is less than equal 6x plus 47 minus 2x. Okay, so 2x cancel, 19 is less than equal 4x plus 47. Now subtract 47 from both sides. Okay. Less than equal 4x. Less than equal 4x. Okay. $28. Now divide by 4. 7 is less than equal x. 7 is less than equal x. Thus you get what? X is greater than equal 7. 7 less than equal x is less than equal 11. Therefore solution set is x. Solution set is 11. 7 to 11. 7 to 11. And its graphical solution is zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here 7 and 11 both are included in the set. So just 7 is bold and also 11 is bold. Just you have to draw bold line there. This is graphical solution of 7, 11. This is the question 10. Sorry, minus sign is there. Minus sign. This is minus sign. This is minus sign. So minus sign is, that means just up to minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 7. This is bold. The total line is bold. Okay, total line is bold. Minus 7 to 11. Okay, so you have to draw bold line just like this. minus 7 to 11. Okay, minus 7 to 11, minus 7 to 11. Clear? So this is very simple technique. Clear? Very simple technique to find solution of mixing type of inequalities. Solution set is this, and you can draw also graphically. Okay, so question 10 is completed. Now 11, 12, 13 and 14, they are verbal instruction is given. Just you have to first make inequalities according to the questions by using the instructions given in the question. Okay, so take here, just see in the question 11 what is given. In question 11 it is given that a solution is to be kept between 68 degree Fahrenheit and 77 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, solution kept in the temperature just 68 and 77 degree Fahrenheit. 68 and just 68 degree Fahrenheit and 77 degree Fahrenheit. This temperature is in between this, a solution is kept. Okay. What is the range in temperature in degree Celsius C if the Celsius Fahrenheit conversion formula is given by Fahrenheit equals to this, F equals to this. That is, suppose the temperature of the solution is X, then X lies between this 68 degree Fahrenheit to 77 degree Fahrenheit. X degree Fahrenheit. If solutions temperature is X degree Fahrenheit, then according to question, this X degree Fahrenheit lies between this. Now Fahrenheit is converted to, also we are given that Fahrenheit is equals to 9 by 5 C plus 32. This is conversion formula is given. This is Fahrenheit degree, this is Celsius degree. Just we have to find the Celsius degree, range of temperature in Celsius degree in C. So here Fahrenheit degree is equal to this. Therefore, X degree Fahrenheit is equals to 9 by 5 X degree centigrade plus 32. So we can convert, we can write here 68 is less than 9 by 5, just you have to use the formula only. X degree Celsius is less than 77 degree. Okay. So like this. Clear? X degree centigrade. Now formula is given by 9 by 5 x degree Celsius plus 32. So solve it. Just multiply by, first of all we have to multiply it by so we can subtract 32 from both sides. 9 by 5 x degree Celsius is less than 76 7 minus 32. Just subtract 32. So get 36 is less than 9 by 5 x degree Celsius is less than 5 4. Now multiply these three places by 5 by 9. So 36 into 5 by 9 is less than x degree Celsius is less than 45 into 9 by 5. 5 by 9. Sorry, 5 by 9. 5 by 9. Just multiplying 5 by 9. 5 cancel, 9 cancel. Here 5 by 9, here 5 by 9. 9 by 10, 5 by 9, 5 by 9. Okay, so here x degree Celsius. Now 4 into 5, 20. So 20 is less than x degree Celsius is less than 25. So it implies the range of temperature in degree Celsius is 20 to 25. 20 to 25 degree Celsius. 20 to 25 degree Celsius. Okay, so range in temperature of degree Celsius. Okay, so 20 to 25 degree. Solution between 20 degree Celsius to 25 degree Celsius. 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, so they only putting the formula. Okay, temperature is x degree Fahrenheit. Then for conversion of this for F to C, so F equals to in terms of C, so degree Celsius C. That's why x degree Fahrenheit to x degree Celsius. In place of F, just write C. So you can write also here F only, single F. So F in place of F you can just put this. Then there will be C only, C. Clear? So this is the technique. Just to use this formula in between, because 68 to 77, because solution is kept in 68 degree Fahrenheit to 77 degree Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit line between this, then degree Celsius is its conversion, its equivalence of degree Celsius is this. Just put here, just solve it as a linear inequalities. Then you can get range of x degree Celsius like 20 to 25 degree. Okay, so 20 to 25 degree. Now take question 12. This was the question what? 11. Okay, 11, question 11. Now take question 12. 12 and 13 are same type of questions. Just set logically, because this type of questions also may be asked in exam. So you have to make inequalities and then solve. Then you can get required result. Okay, so here Take question 12. A solution of 8% boric acid is to be diluted by adding 2% boric acid solution. 8% boric acid solution and 2% boric acid solution to it. Diluted by adding this means in 8% boric acid solution, just add 2% boric acid solution to it. Dilute. We have to dilute it, the 8% boric acid solution, by adding 2% boric acid solution. The resulting mixture is to be more than 4% but less than 6% boric acid. Boric acid. If we have 640 liters of the 8% solution, 640 liters of 8% solution. 8% solution is 640 liters. Now, how many liters of 2% solution will have to be added? Means 2% boric acid solution, how many liters in liters? So let X liter of 2% boric acid solution, let X liter of 2% boric acid X liter, okay. X liters of 2% boric acid solution are required to be added. Then 2% of X liter plus 8% of 640 liter is more than 4%, is greater than 4%, more than 4% of mixture X plus 640 liters. Clear? Because 4%, more than 4% but less than 6% boric acid mixture. Total mixture is what? 640 liters are 8% solution and 2%. We have to add 2% X liter or 2% solution. So total what? 640 and X liter are total. So 4% of total. This combination is greater than 4% of total, and 2% of X liters plus 8% of 640 liters is less than 6% of X plus 640 liters. But this is the or less than 6%. Okay, just now we can solve it. So first, this implies 2% is X by 100 into 2. X by 100 of 2% is 2 by 100 into X plus 8 by 100 into X, 640. 2 by 100, 2% is 2 by 100 into X and 8 by 100 into 640 is greater than 4 by 100 into X plus 640. This is first. And Also second, just solve it first. Implies 100 we can multiply by 100, then we can get 2x plus just we can solve it directly. This and also 2 by 100 x plus 8 by 100 into 640 less than 6 by 100 into x plus 640. This implies here 100 and 100 multiply by 100. So we can write 2x plus 8 into 640. So 800 520 is greater than 4x plus 4 into this 0 okay, and second 2x plus 5120 is less than 6 into this 6x plus 4. Okay, now we can solve it. Two inequalities. So here 2x 4x, so we can subtract on both sides. 5120 minus 2560 is greater than 4x minus 2x, and here 5120 minus 3840 is less than 6x minus 2x. Okay, implies here 0 0 0 6 6 12 okay 0 2 clear. So this is greater than 2x, and here 0 is less than 4x. Okay, so implies what? Divide by 2. So 2560 divided by 2, you can see that 1280 is less than x by divided by 2, and here divided by 4, 1280 divided by 4, $320. So we get the solution. Okay, so here 320 and 1280 liters. Okay, so very simple. Just you have to make first what? Condition. So x liters, suppose we are required to add it, then This will be the condition. Then according to questions. According to questions, we get like this. Clear? So implies 320 less than x less than 1280. Implies quantity of 2% of boric acid in liters should be more than 320 liter and but less than 1280 liter. So this is the solution. Okay. So 13 can also be you can solve 13. Just it is for your practice. Okay. Now take question 14. 13 is just like that. The how many liters of water to be added? Suppose x liter of water to be added. Then you can set the equation in equation just like this and can solve. Okay, so 13 is for your practice. Now question 14. IQ of a person is given by the formula. Here is formula is given. MA is mental age and CA is chronological age. Chronological age means natural age. Just group of 12 years of children, old children. That means chronological age will be 12. And if 80 less than IQ is less than 140 of it for a group of 12 years of old children, find the range of their mental age, MA. So here our variable will be MA. Okay. So just solve. 13 you have to solve. Okay, for your practice. Just set solution inequalities and solve it. Okay. Now take question 14. 14, in the 14 question it is given that relation between mental age and chronological age is given. IQ is given. Okay. So in question 14 it is given that so 80 and 140. 80 is less than equal IQ 140, where IQ is given by MA upon CA into 100. This is given relation between IQ, MA and CA. MA mental age, CA chronological age. And this is given for 12 years for a group of 12 years old children. Okay. Just we have to find the range of the mental age. So very simple questions. Since for the group of 12 years old children, CA equals to 12. Therefore, IQ equals to MA upon 12 into 100. So, by using given condition we get. Given condition means what? This 180 less than equal IQ means this MA by 12 into 100 is less than equal 140. Just this. Okay. Just we have to solve it. Find the range for MA. Just multiply. This is inequality. Multiply by 20. 80 into, just we can also write just like this. 80 is less than equal MA upon 3 divided by 4. 4 means 25 is less than equal 140. Now just multiply by 3 on both sides. 3 into 80 less than equal 25 MA is less than equal 3 into 420. Now divide by 24. Divide by 25. So 240 upon 25 is less than equal MA is less than equal 420 by 25. Just from here we can find the range. Okay. So 25, 240 divided by 25, 240 divided by 25, just I think value will be 9. Point 0. So 6. Okay, so 9.6 implies 240 by 25 is less than equal MA is less than equal 420 by 25 means this is 9.6 is less than equal MA just less than equal what? 9.6, and I think here 420 divided by 25 125 just 0 6 150 20.08 16.8. So range of the mental age is, therefore range of mental age is 9.6 to 16.8. This is our answer. Okay. So just you have to use solving inequality technique. First of all, by using the condition. Because 12 years old children, chronological age will be 12. So put 12 in place of CA. Then use this value here. Just solve it. And you can get the range. Okay. So now miscellaneous exercise on chapter 6 is completed. Okay. So you have to do all the questions of this miscellaneous exercise for your practice in your math homework copy. For your attendance, just send me at least 3-4 solution of at least 3-4 questions to me for your attendance. Okay, today itself, and do all the questions in your homework copy. Okay.